Hi, welcome to this video.
Today, we're going to explore how to convert any photo into a coloring page. And the best part is that it's completely free. So, let's get started. First, you'll need a picture or photo to work with. I found a great one on Pinterest, so go ahead and download it. Make sure to choose an image that you love and that will look good as a coloring page.
Once you have your photo ready, we can move on to the next step.
Next, go to the website where you'll be converting your photo. Click on Start Creating to begin the process. Then, upload your image by selecting the picture you just downloaded. Once you've chosen your photo, press Open in the file picker to upload it. After uploading your photo, click on the Generate button to start the conversion process. This will transform your image into a coloring page.
Once the conversion is complete, wait for a moment, and then press the arrow down button to download your newly created coloring page.
It's that easy. Now,
if you're not completely satisfied with the result, don't worry. I have another website to show you that can help you create a coloring page with different options.
Let's check it out and see if you can get a result you like even better.
This website comes with various features, some of which may require payment. However, I'll be focusing on the free options available, so you can still create a fantastic coloring page without spending a dime. Press the Generate button to start the conversion process.
Keep in mind that this generation process may take some time, as this website tends to be a bit slower.
However, I personally prefer it because it often produces better results for what I am looking for. For some reason, the preview isn't working on this website, which might be due to the browser you're using. But that's okay.
I don't mind too much.
Just go ahead and press the Download button. When prompted, choose PNG as the file format for your coloring page.
Now that you've opened the file, take a moment to admire it. It looks great and is exactly the style I was looking for.
Now, it's time to print it out and start coloring the picture.
Grab your favorite coloring tools and let your creativity flow as you bring this image to life.
And there you have it.
You've successfully converted a photo into a beautiful coloring page. And now you can enjoy the fun of coloring it in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and share your coloring creations in the comments below.
Thanks for watching and happy coloring.